All right, let's take a look here at the building that housed for nearly 30 years the Malcom X Community Center and community radio station and Kwanzaa historical landmark site here in Greenville, South Carolina. Let's step down. Steep. The founder, Sister Afia Ngwaza, sliding down stunt. Okay. Will continue the spirit of the Malcom X Community Center virtually and in other ways. Right now I'm walking on what would have been the drive to the back area for parking. So you would have followed this path here and made a right, and you would have been in that parking lot area. So let's move closer. This door here would lead to the interior for once things are so destroyed, this is actually the front door, and then you walk straight back. Imagine African fabrics and curios and crafts and books. I'm actually filming through a wall of books on back where Sister Ngwaza would sit, about right here. And then you had the restroom in that box-like area, kitchenette, all of that kind of thing in that general area back there. And the actual studio would be through these doors for the Malcom X Community Center. And there you'd have it. You could actually go through here and of course I don't want it to fall down on me. This is the studio. And look at that big mirror. That actually needs to come down. Storage areas in the office, and keep on going backwards to the restroom, right? So out the studio into this main area where there were books, curios, incense, jewelry, clothing, fabrics, and a lot of these things are now tucked away. But again, the spirit of the Malcom X Center will continue. There we have it. Now I'm going to go take a look at this mirror, which should not be destroyed. race analyst, PhD, proving hate, degradation, and destruction.